Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to find the distance between 2 points using the topic that we learned last time, Pythagorean theorem. So next year in geometry, a lot of teachers will teach you finding the distance between 2 points using what's called a distance formula. It is extremely difficult and complicated, not to mention long, but I'm going to show you a trick that saves all that time. Okay, so what we have here is we have a line, okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a triangle, specifically a right triangle, out of that line. So all I have to do, and you could start anywhere, but I prefer to start with the left dot, kind of like we do slope, okay, and I'm going to go up, I'm going to follow the line up until I'm even with the other dot, and then I go right. So you're always, if you start with your left dot, you're always going to go up or down first. If it's a positive slope, you would be going up. So I just went up until I'm even with it, and then I moved to the right. Now, what I do here next, okay, so I have a right triangle, which means I have now drawn my lines A and B, okay? So this is A, or B, again, those are interchangeable, which means what this original line is we're solving for C. Pretty basic. All right, so now we need the numbers for A and B. So let me write the formula real quick. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. All right, and what we can do here, now you can either count or, and I'll show you counting real quick. I'll do that. So if I'm here and I need to look at my numbers, it is counting by ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 8 squared and 1, 2, 3. Okay, because these were also counting by 1. So 3 squared. All right, plus equals, and we don't know C, so we're going to solve for that. So let me go ahead and just finish the problem mathematically. Okay, so we got 9 plus 64 equals C squared. Add those together, you get 73 equals C squared. And again, we want C, so we simply have to square root and get C equals, let me pull up my calculator real quick. And what do we get here? Sorry. Ugh. Anyways, sorry, my calculator on my computer for some reason doesn't have a square root button. So you get your answer rounded to whatever placement that it is. Okay, so let me show you some other quick ways of finding these numbers here, which are what we need. We need A and B, that's what we're solving for every single time. Now you could also do this, okay? So you could go, look, what is this height? This dot is at 10, this dot is 18. The distance from 10 to 18 is 8, okay? Right here, where we draw a line to, or actually, sorry, let's go with P. P is at 3, and Q is at 6. So the distance from 3 to 6 is 3. All right, here's another way you could do this. All right, besides using the formula. Well, sorry, you're still gonna have to use the formula, but you could find the coordinates. So let's find our coordinates. This is, we just said that x value is 3, and your y value is 10. All right, your q value, your x is 6, and your y is 18. Now you just find the distance between those points. To go from your x values, from 3 to 6 is 3. From 10 to 18 is 8. So there's a number of different ways to find your coordinates before plugging it into the formula and getting your answer. All right.